Okay, now we will see how to download and import the Spring jars inside the Eclipse. First of all, go to the browser, any browser. Just go to Google. So the default search, it is, in my case it is Google itself in Chrome. In Chrome, the default search engine, by default it is Google. If we don't configure it, now just type here in the search box Spring. Spring download. So now just click on the first result, index of repo.spring.io. Okay, just click on the first result. Now I'll be getting so many distributions that has been released since the Spring has been released. Now I want to use the latest one, that is Spring 5. Scroll down all the way down. Okay, 5.2.3 is there. Okay, click on this 5.2.3 release. Click on this link. Now click on the first link, Spring 5.2.3 release dist.zip. Okay, so this is the file we need. Okay, this is the file we need where all the jars will be available for our development, Spring and Spring development. Okay, so click on this link. So it is getting downloaded to my downloads directory. Okay, in my case I have already downloaded this Spring 5.2.2. Now before importing this jar, you need to extract this file. Okay, you need to extract this zip folder. So if it is, if you are in Windows, you can just right click and you can select the extract option. Otherwise, in my case I have installed this rar. Okay, rar software, WinRAR. Okay, zip archive. Using that I can extract the files. Now just I'll be simply double clicking on this. Now I'll be getting the window to extract these files to one folder. Click on this extract to icon. So it is the path where this all the files will be extracted in this folder. the complete path is that has been given by this WinRAR. Now just click on OK. All the files will be extracted to one folder. Okay, the WinRAR has been extracted the files to this folder. Now go to Eclipse, click on File, New, Project, select Java project, click on Next. Go to File, New, select Project, then you can select Java project, then click on Next. The name of the project I'm giving Spring Demo 1. Spring Demo 1. Okay, click on Finish. So it is asking this kind of project is associated with the Java perspective. You can click on Open Perspective. So in order to work with the project in Java project, we need to um, open this Java perspective. Now it is automatically asking to open Java perspective. Just click on Open Perspective. Okay. Now expand this project node Spring Demo 1. Right click on src first, select the src, then right click on src. I need to create a package. Highlight new, select a package. Name of the package I'll be giving com dot love to code dot spring demo. So from the course tree of this love to code, I'm doing this tutorial. I have given the package name as com.love2code.spring demo. Observe here the package name, it is in the lowercase. It should be in the lowercase. If you are if you try to give it in the uppercase, you will be getting this warning message, discouraged package name. So by convention, the package name usually start with a lowercase letter. Just click on finish. Package has been created. Okay, after that right click on the main project Spring Demo 1, click on a new, then click on folder. Okay, name of the folder I'm giving lips. finish. Now go to the folder where you have extracted the Spring. Okay, go to this folder. Now you can see the libs folder. Okay, Control A, copy all these files, then come back to Eclipse. Right click on this libs. First select the libs folder, then right click on this libs, then paste. All the jar files will be copied to this libs folder. Now I want to set the build path. Okay, want to set the build path. For that, how can I do that? Right click on Spring Demo 1 project. Now you can select build path, highlight build path, configure build path. You can choose configure build path. Okay, you'll be getting this window. Now you can see here a lot of tabs, few tabs. Okay, now click on this libraries tab. Just click on add jars. Okay, one button is there, add jars. Click on that button. Expand this folder Spring Demo 1, that is where we have kept the libs folder. Okay, so expand this libs folder. So now select all the jar files by using the shift key. Just select the first one, then hold the shift key, scroll all the way down to the end, then select the last one. So all the files will be selected if you are pressing the shift and selecting the files from beginning to end. Now click on OK. All the files has been added. You can just click on apply and close. Okay, now we have the libs folder and we have set the build path. Now we are ready to work with Spring applications.